It's that time of year, Christmas trees are out, and I am thinking a lot about how to make the most out of 2026. And if you are thinking about that too, I want to share with you some tips. I'm actually thinking to run a workshop, free workshop, where I share with you how I plan things, but I just want to give you some tips now because it's really present. So most people I meet, firstly, they have no idea what their actual goal is. So they're just kind of like hoping and floating around and trying to figure stuff out. But the most powerful people I know, the most successful people I know, they have a goal, right? So we start thinking, what would I love from 2026? You could think about what would you love from 2026 in your career? What would that be? You could think about what would you love for your health? What would that be? Is there something going on in your life right now that's a challenge? Would you love to fix that in 2026? It could be your relationships, could be your finances, like whatever, right? You start to think about some clear goals. Now, if you do too many things, you end up doing nothing. So what could that be, right? This is just start thinking about this when you're in your meditation. Grab a notepad, grab your pen, just start brainstorming, get this stuff out. This is the kind of stuff I do with my clients, so my one-on-one clients. I actually have an offer on at the moment. If anyone joins Curate, I'm doing a free one-on-one strategy session like this with them for 1 hour. Anyone who joins Curate, if you're interested, join Curate. I'll help you map out your whole 12 months. When they have a goal, right? Once you decide this is what I would love from 2026, next thing you do is you have to make a plan. And most people, even if they have a goal, they have a terrible plan. And this is a piece that's missing for so many people. Like, okay, so I want to make an extra 5K a month in my business. Okay, so what's your plan? I want to have a six-pack. Okay, what's your plan? I want to find the love of my life. Okay, what's your plan? You know, this is the piece. So most people don't have a goal. If they do have a goal, they usually don't have a plan. Now, if you meet someone who has a goal and a plan, there already massively increases their chances of winning. But do they follow through with the plan? Do they execute on the plan? Do they actually do the thing? I have been talking about this since, the first time I shared this on stage was in 2016. So almost 10 years I've been saying this same thing. Get a goal, make a plan, and actually follow through with it, right? It's not rocket science, but most people don't do it. They're just kind of hoping. And hoping is cool, hoping is nice, but hoping is not going to bring your dreams and make them into your reality. So, let me know if you'd be interested in joining a free masterclass. I'm thinking I might run it next week, actually. We'll go into detail in all of this and actually do it together. Something I just love talking about. I'm quite passionate about it. You probably feel I'm like, come on, make a plan. Let's get you some goals. Let's figure out how we make your life amazing. You know, I work with a lot of people who are like in distress, right? They're struggling, and I help them to get out of survival mode. But my favorite people to work with, we can get you to a place where you're good, you know, where things are good. And now we get you to great. I call it dream life creation, right? Now we're making your dreams into reality. That is so much fun. So if you're ready to do that, let me know below. Put dreams or something. I don't know, what can you put? Put 2026 below, and I'll share with you the details when the masterclass is going to be. And you can watch the replay, or you can attend live. Or if you do want to book a one-on-one session, I'm happy to do that too. We can do a 1 hour session. If you join Curate, any of our Curate courses, I'll give you that for free, but I'll figure out a paid version as well if you just want to do that. Let's make 2026 a powerful year for you. Let's really start letting that stew in the brain. Let's start allowing those dreams and desires to come up. You're amazing. Don't settle for average. You can become pain-free. You can become abundant. You can become joyful. Life can be juicy. Life can be so wonderful if you're willing to get out of your comfort zone, set a goal, make a plan, and actually follow it through. You got this.